Paris is a magical city, known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. It's called the City of Lights, not just because of its beautiful nighttime illuminations, but also for its role in the Age of Enlightenment. The best way to see Paris is on foot. Walking through its streets allows you to truly appreciate the city's charm and elegance. Walking lets you soak it all in, from the intricate details of the cobblestone streets to the grand facades of historic buildings. Paris is full of surprises around every corner. You might stumble upon a hidden alleyway or a piece of unexpected street art. You'll find charming cafes and hidden courtyards that invite you to sit down, relax, and watch the world go by. The city has a special atmosphere, with street musicians playing melodies that add to the enchanting ambience. Take your time and enjoy the stroll. There's no rush in Paris. Every step is a chance to discover something new. That's how you'll experience the true Paris. By immersing yourself in its daily life, you'll see the city through the eyes of a local. So let's go on a walking tour and uncover the hidden gems of this magnificent city together. We'll start at the Eiffel Tower, one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Standing tall in the heart of Paris, it attracts millions of visitors every year. It's a symbol of Paris and a testament to human engineering and creativity. The iron lattice structure is both intricate and grand. The tower was built in 1889 for the World's Fair. It was initially criticized by some of Paris's leading artists and intellectuals. Standing at over 300 meters, it's very tall and offers amazing views of the city. From the top, you can see the Seine River, the Champs-Élysées, and many other landmarks. Next, we'll walk to the Louvre Museum, another iconic site. Known for its vast collection of art and historical artifacts, it's a must-visit for any art lover. It's home to famous art like the Mona Lisa, the enigmatic portrait by Leonardo da Vinci that draws countless visitors. The Louvre was once a royal palace before it became a public museum in the late 18th century. Its architecture is a blend of old and new, with Ampé's glass pyramid entrance. It's huge and full of history, with over 35,000 works of art. Now, let's explore Montmartre, a neighborhood that has inspired countless artists. This neighborhood is on a hill, offering stunning views of Paris. It's a place where art and history come alive. It's known for its bohemian atmosphere, with artists painting in the streets and the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica overlooking the city. The White Basilica is beautiful, with its domes visible from many parts of Paris. It's a place of peace and reflection. Our last stop is the Latin Quarter, a lively area known for its vibrant atmosphere. It's a hub of intellectual and artistic activity. It's a lively area with students and the Sorbonne University, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world. You'll find old bookstores and charming cafes here, perfect for a leisurely afternoon of reading and people watching. It's a taste of the real Paris, where history, culture, and everyday life blend seamlessly. Enjoy your journey through these iconic sites and charming neighborhoods. Walking makes you hungry. In Paris, every step you take is a journey through history and culture. The streets are alive with the aroma of freshly baked bread and the chatter of locals and tourists alike. Let's stop at a local bakery. These charming spots are the heart of Parisian daily life. The bakers start their day early, ensuring that every loaf and pastry is perfect. Try a fresh baguette or a croissant. They're delicious. Paris has many cafes. Each one offers a unique selection of pastries, from buttery croissants to delicate macarons. You can enjoy a coffee and a pastry. People watch from the terrace. It's a Parisian tradition. The cafes are perfect for soaking in the city's vibrant atmosphere. For dinner, try a classic French meal. Parisian restaurants offer a variety of traditional dishes that are sure to delight your taste buds. Onion soup and steak frites are good choices. These dishes are staples of French cuisine, rich in flavor and history. Don't forget a glass of French wine. The wine culture in France is renowned, and each glass tells a story of the region it comes from. As you walk, notice the details. The architecture is stunning. From the Grand Haussmannian buildings to the quaint narrow streets, every corner of Paris has something to admire. Look for the old street lamps and the flower boxes. These small details add to the city's charm and character. Each neighborhood has a story to tell. From the artistic vibes of Montmartre to the chic boutiques of Le Marais, Paris is a city of endless stories and flavors waiting to be discovered. Walking through Paris is a delight. You'll discover something new at every turn. The city is best explored on foot. Remember to wear comfortable shoes. Paris is best explored slowly. Take time to enjoy the little things. So come and discover Paris. Walk along the Seine River, explore the charming streets. This city will capture your heart. Your walking adventure awaits.